Hello, social media. This is your girl, Wellness Lady Keisha, coming to let you know about our Vita Divina Liquid Gold. This is our Vita Divina Liquid Gold oil. This is the only oil that you need for your face. It has immune oil, 24 karat gold crystals. It's so many different ingredients in here and makes your face so smooth. Any different scars or anything that you have on your skin, your face, it will definitely make them disappear very quickly. I am so happy to have this. This is something that you definitely need in your bathroom, in your home, every day of your life. This is a wonderful product, and it's called Liquid Gold. All right, and it has a beautiful little pump here. All right, that makes it very easy to just squeeze out little amounts. Okay, so this, what is it? 2 ounce. This 2 ounce container can last you for quite some time. And like I say, you're going to need one for on the go, and you're going to need one for in the home, because this is a great handy little tool to use for blemishes, for makeup. I mean, it replaces even Neosporin ointment in the home. You can use it for the entire family. You know, anybody recovering from like surgery, knee surgery, if you just recently got a tattoo, this will help your tattoos recover fast. This is so, this has a blend of the best oils on the planet. So I will have a list of all the oils that's in here. But this is excellent. This is excellent. This is something you definitely need to try, and you need to have it ASAP. Thank you. Bye-bye.